Let me show you guys something real quick about something called credit repair and medical collections. Okay. So I've gone to the hospital a few times. Blood pressure and anxiety stuff. Trying different medication for blood pressure stuff. I'm fat, okay? Deal with it. Anyway, I'm trying to. Anyway, look, read this with me. Your Truman Medical Lakewood accounts have been sold. The accounts that I agreed to pay at the medical center, they sold them. So what I agreed to pay was sold to CF Medical LLC, whoever that is. These people, I guess they own a bunch of different LLCs. All those. Why do they need all those? Who knows? Okay, anyway, continue. Asset Care, this company, has been contracted to collect the outstanding balance. Okay, why? Why? They sold my accounts to these people. Anyway, continue. We'll follow back. We have been authorized to extend to you, oh my gosh, a special offer to resolve these accounts for $1,300 rather than $2,600. This offer will save you 50%. Oh my gosh. If you choose to accept this offer, payment must be received in this office on or before this date. We are not obligated to renew this offer. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I owe you half of what I owed them. I owe these people half of what I owed them, but they sold the accounts to those people, so I owe them nothing. I don't even know who these people are. Why do I owe them anything? I didn't agree to do anything with these people. I agreed to pay these people, but they sold my accounts to those people. I'm not obligated to pay anything. You're not obligated to renew that offer. I'm not obligated to accept that offer. Just like you said, if you choose to accept this offer, yada, yada, yada. Well, I'm not obligated to pay, and I'm not obligated to accept. Anyway, moving on. Okay, those are your hours. This is blah, 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 blah. This is an attempt to collect the debt. You can attempt all you want to. It doesn't mean you have the legal bounds to collect anything. I didn't agree to anything with this company that you've been hired by to collect a debt. I don't owe a debt. My debt was sold to this company. I don't owe a debt to this company anymore because they sold it to that company. So now that the account was purchased by this company, meaning my information, they hired these people to come to me to collect a debt that I don't owe anymore. Anyway, continue. Any information obtained will be used for that purpose. This communication is from a debt collector. Who gives a crap? Calls to and from the company may be monitored and recorded for assurance purposes. Assurance of what? Ooh, they're scammy. That's a scammy word. Never pick up the phone. Never call them. Never respond to them unless you want to. Don't take my advice. Seek your law. Seek your FCRA, your Federal Consumer Reporting Act, for guidance and information. Don't follow anything that I'm saying or use my advice for anything unless you want to, for your purposes only, not my purposes. Use at your own results. I am not bound to anything that happens because of it. Okay, can we carry on? Okay, moving on to the next two companies. Interesting stuff. The law offices of whoever that is. Oh, that sounds scary. We are trying to collect a debt that you owe. Oh, are you kidding me? To these people again? Somebody purchased something, or that company purchased some more accounts that I no longer owe money on because they purchased them. We have been authorized to extend to you a special offer to resolve the account for that much. This offer will save you 50%. Uh-oh, I don't owe you nothing. If you choose to accept this offer, payment should be received. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'm showing you this, okay? See the format of this letter by this law office? Watch this. Oh my gosh, another company. It's the same letter. Different companies use the same letter. Interesting, though, that they're both in Sherman, Texas. That's interesting. Anyway, moving on. Read this. How can I dispute the debt? Call or write us by this date to dispute all or part. If you do not, we will assume that our information is correct. That just because they assume it doesn't mean it is correct. Gosh, these people are scammy, bro. I think this is kind of maybe illegal. I'm not sure. Look it up for yourself. Anyway, moving on. If you write to us at this, you must stop collection on any. Never write or talk or answer these people's phone calls. That's what I do in my life. You can do as you need to do. Because I don't know who these people are. I don't owe them anything. They say they're a debt collector, but I never agreed to owe anything to CF Medical. I don't know who these people are. They're strangers to me. They're absolute strangers. I never agreed to pay a stranger anything. Now they're coming to me and say I owe them money and I don't. So that's the scary thing about collection agencies, is that we think that we're bound to them and we're not until we agree to be. And that's per the Federal Consumer Reporting Act, FCRA. We have consumer laws on our side as consumers. And I suggest you go plug it into your Chat GPT or BMW or your Google-a-thon buddy, and look up this FCRA laws around collection agencies in your state. But if you have stuff like your Verizon, your AT&T, your bills that did get sold off to these debt collectors, you can pay them. You can still pay them. Pay the debt collector if you want to, and that stuff will come off of your credit report. That's probably a good thing that will work in your benefit for your credit scores, and your approvals on loans and credit, and getting credit cards in your name. That'll help you. But if you don't think that is the right thing to do, you can go through a credit repair process and challenge this stuff. And oftentimes, if they are reporting things inaccurately, get them removed off of your credit report, and your score jumps up and your points increase, and then new loans and new credit cards become available to you, and your financial life starts to improve. If you need help, email go Jamie Daniel, JAMIEDANIEL @gmail.com. Go Jamie Daniel @gmail.com. I'll help you. It is $129 a month, and then you have to have a $29 a month identity protection plan that goes on every month. It's a credit monitoring service that allows us to pull your credit reports every month. So it's a great service to have during our credit repair process. So it ends up making everything around $150 a month. And after a few months, we'll get your score increasing, and that new home that looks years far off in the distance starts to draw closer a lot faster. Or that new vehicle that you need for your new bigger family too. So go Jamie Daniel @gmail.com, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.